Hello followers. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Then immediately you will get the notification once I upload the video. Let's start with the topic. Today we are going to see object-oriented data type. So if you are coming from Java, C++ background, so whatever the structure they are following for object, similar can be achieved in Oracle using object-oriented data type. Okay. So what is object-oriented data type? So it's user-defined data types. Okay, that groups related data and behavior together. Okay, example, some uh, predefined columns we are using into multiple modules. Example, if you see the customer name, first name, last name, date of birth, contact number, email address, these are common for all the modules. So what we can do, we can create one object type, then that type directly we can use it for the entire module. So it will be reusability. So but and it's organizing also it's easy to organize it. So maintenance also it's easy. We can change only that particular object type, then it will reflect to all the modules. Okay, that's the way it's give more advantage. Okay, so example, employee ID, name, salary. So we can define one employee object and we can store it in that employee object. Okay. Example, this is the syntax of creating the object. Create type name as object and whatever the attribute we need and the attribute and data type within comma. After that, you can whatever data required, you can mention it. Okay. So this is a syntax, some example. Okay, create type, employee object type as object I am creating. Employee ID, e-name, salary. These three column I am creating one object. Okay, so I am doing. I am creating one table with this object type. Okay, now this table is object table. So the insert, just while inserting, what we can do, only we can call the object name, then we can call the values. So directly, then we can insert it for those um, data types. Okay, this is mostly it's similar like nested table or VRA only. Just we are mentioning the object name, then we are putting the values. Okay, then mostly it's similar like normal insert only. Okay, then we have nested object also. Within the object, if you want to create, see example, um, within the employee details object, for address, we are creating one more object type, address object. Okay, so that is nested. This is for first I am creating the one address object type. That object type inside the employee detail object I am using it. This is nested object type. So based on our business need, we can create n number of data types and we can use it. Okay, this is the nested object type. Okay, so nested object type also, just what we do, we will once again we will call that nested object type, then we will pass the value. Just mostly it's similar only the insert. Just what we are doing, we are calling the object, and inside that object nested type also we are calling the nested object and we are giving the value. Okay, and select statement, everything same. Only small thing is we have to give alias name for the object, then we can select it. Okay, so let's begin with the practical session. Okay, let's go with the practical session. Okay, so okay. First I am creating employee object with the employee ID, e-name, salary, these three columns. Let me run it. So now our employee type is created, employee object type is created. Then I am creating the table using that object. Okay, create table name of this object type. So now employee table also created. Now I can directly insert. Just I am referring the object name, then I am passing the values. Okay, I am inserting two values. Okay, if you see directly we can select. Okay, so this is the normal one. Okay, so just attribute, if you want to access attributes separately, then this is okay. No difference. Directly whatever we are querying normal table, similar way we can query it. Okay, nested type. I am creating one address object type with city state. This is a nested type example I am taking for this. I have created, so that address type, address object, I am using it inside the object. So now it's a nested object type. Okay, nested created. Now I am creating the table employee details with nested object type. So the insert. So object, I am passing the value. Nested, I am calling the nested object and I am passing the value. I am inserting it. Inserted. Now if you see, now it's, see, always for object-oriented table, we have to pass the alias name and we have to query it. Okay. So nested type, we have to mention the nested type column and then we have to mention the nested type object name and column name. That's what we have to mention to fetch the value from the nested table type. Okay, that's what we use mostly in your projects. Whenever you see this object oriented data type, it's give more flexibility, so and more reusability. Okay, so okay, that's the in agenda. Let's go with interview. So interview, what are the questions we get? What is object type? Okay, so object type is user defined data types, group of related attributes and methods into single objects. That is the object type. What is the difference between object type and record type? So object types, it's schema level object, we can store it. Okay, but record type is PLSQL only, data type without methods. Okay, it's a PLSQL type, record type is. Okay, what is the object in table? So uh, okay, in the table, it's each row stored as an object. Okay, not a row, it's like object, it's stored in the object. Row level stored in the instance of object type. Okay, what is ref? If you want to see the address, the pointer, we can use this ref data type where it's stored in the that object where it's stored. That one we can see it using ref data types. So it will give the object ID where it's stored. Okay. What is the member function? Member function method that is operates the specific object instance and can access it. Okay, this is a member function. So to access the specific object, we have to use this instance. Then we can call it out. Okay, difference between member and statics. Okay, member method work on object instance where static method belong to object type and don't require any object instance. Okay, static method, it's not required any object instance, directly we can use it. It's not required the instance. Okay, can object types contain method? Yes, object type we can create method and we can use it. Function and static methods. Okay, what is the type body? Okay, type body means it's implementing the methods declaring the object type. So whatever the methods declaring the object type, those are called type body. Okay. So can any object contain another object type? Yes, it can be. So inside object type, we can use another next object type also. Okay, it's possible. What are the objects types to improve reusability? So these are the usability, encapsulation, maintainability, and support object-oriented database design. Okay, these are the advantages. Okay, so here that's what I want to share it for today. Okay, thank you. now we are done with SQL. So whatever the video I shared as part out of zero to hero, the Oracle SQL tutorial. If you gone through the all this video, then you are good with SQL. Then starting from next video, I am going to share PLSQL. So most of the time, I will get the one-to-one message from the followers. So I am good at SQL, but I am not understanding PLSQL, and I am not able to write the code. And sometimes I am not confident. So those all doubts question, starting from next video I will going to clear it. So once I complete the PLSQL series, you will be enabled for PLSQL development and implementation. Okay, that's what the coming series will be. Please subscribe my channel, so then immediately you will get the notification once I upload the video. Thank you so much. Please share it with your friends. Please subscribe it. Please share your feedback and comments.